Tiny cooking videos are exploding on YouTube Shorts right now. These miniature cooking clips are getting millions of views, and even brand new creators are growing their channels with this trend. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make these videos from start to finish. First, open the document linked in the description and copy the complete master prompt. Then go to Google and search for Google Flow AI. Open the first result and click Create Project. Switch to video mode, choose the aspect ratio you want, and select OmniFlash as the video model. Set the video length to 6 seconds. Now paste the master prompt into the prompt box. At the top of the prompt, you'll see a section for the food item. Simply replace it with whatever food you want to create. For this example, I'll use pizza. Click Generate and wait a few minutes while Google Flow creates your video. That's it. Your first tiny cooking video is ready. Want to make more? Just paste the same prompt again, change the food item to something else, like paratha, and click Generate. In just a few moments, you'll have another unique miniature cooking video. You can repeat this process with burgers, cakes, noodles, desserts, or any other food you can think of. The possibilities are endless. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more viral AI content and trending niches.